أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء والمرسلين سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي ربي يسر ولا تؤسر وتمم بالخير. السلام عليكم everyone.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम साहब।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम साहब।
Let us begin. Let me ask you questions. We'll do Kahoot if Zahan, Arkan and Afifa answer all of the questions well. Okay? If you answer all of the questions well, or if you pick up really well, we'll do Kahoot. So Kahoot depends on how you guys answer the questions. Let us start. Question to Sadia. How do we say this, Sadia? How do we say the people returned and they entered in the house of the idols?
रजन नासु व दखलू फी बैती अल-असनामी।
Very good. The people returned and they entered in the house of the idols is Raja an Nasu wa dakhalu fi baitil asnami. Answer kya hai Afifa? The people returned and they entered in the house of the idols. Answer kya hai Afifa?
रजान नासु वदखलू फिल बैती लिल असनामी।
Fi baitil asnami. Fi baiti al asnami. फिर से Afifa?
रजान नासु वदखलू फी बैती अल असनामी।
Very good. Raja an Nasu wa dakhalu fi baiti al asnami. What is the answer, Adnan? Very good, Afifa. Very good, Afifa. Very good, Sadia. What's the answer, Adnan?
रजान नासु बैती अल असनामी। रजान नासु वदखलू व बैती अल असनामी।
In the house of the idols. How do you say in? In is fi. You do not use fi in your sentence.
Okay. रजान नासु वदखलू फी बैतिल असनामी।
Very good. Raja an Nasu wa dakhalu fi baitil asnami. What is the answer, Zahan?
रजअन नासु व दखलू फी बैतिल अन्नासी।
No. Fi baitil nasi is in the house of the people. How do you say
फी
house of the idols?
बैतिल अल-असनामी।
Very good. Fi baitil asnami. Next question, Sadia. How do you say and the people wanted to do sajda to the idols?
And the people wanted to sajda the idols is aradan nasu an yasjudu lil asnami.
Very good. Aradan nasu is the people intended. लोगों का इरादा था. And yasjudu to do sajda lil asnami. Aradan nasu and yasjudu lil asnami. What is the answer, Zahan?
अरादन नासु अन यसजुदु इल्लल असनामी।
Li al asnami.
ली अल-असनामी।
Again.
अरादन नासु अन यसजुदु ली अल-असनामी।
So you merge the li. So you say lil asnami.
लिल असनामी।
Aradan nasu and yasjudu lil asnami.
अरादन नासु अन यसजुदु लिल असनामी।
Very good. Afifa, आंसर क्या है? लोगों का इरादा था कि वो सजदा करें किसको? आइडल्स को, पुतलों को.
अरादन नासु अन यस्जुदु लिल असनामी।
Very good. Aradan nasu an yasjudu lil asnami. What is the answer, Adnan? Your turn, Adnan. What is the answer? and the people wanted to do sajda to the idols. Okay, I do not see Adnan, so we'll ask him once he's back. Okay, question to Zahan. How do we say, but the people got astonished and they got angry? How do you say but?
लेकिन
Very good. Lakin. How do you say the people got astonished? What is the answer, Sadia?
ऐसा कि चाचा लेकिन अन्नासु
Let us see if Sadia remembers the answer.
لكن تعجب الناس وغضبوا.
Waghadibu. There's a wow. So it has to be double counts. Lakin ta'ajjaba nasu waghadibu.
وغضبوا.
Very good. What's the answer, Zahan?
लेकिन तअज्जब अन्नासु वगदीबु.
Very good. Again.
लेकिन तअज्जब अन्नासु वगदीबु.
Yep. In Arabic, we say lakin. It is lakin ta'ajjaba nasu waghadibu. What's the answer?
लेकिन तअज्जब अन्नासु वगदीबु.
वेरी गुड. आंसर क्या है अफीफा? लोग चौंक गए और वो बहुत गुस्सा हुए.
लाकिन ताज्जब अन्नासु वगदिबु.
वेरी गुड. लाकिन तअज्जब अन्नासु वगदिबु. Okay, I still do not see Adnan. Okay, I see Adnan now.
only.
Okay, what is this answer, Adnan? But the people got astonished and they got angry.
लाकिन ताज्जब अन्नासु वगदिबु.
Very good. Lakin ta'ajjaba nasu wa ghadibu. How do you say, and the people wanted to do sajda to the idols? Adnan.
And the people wanted to do
Arada nasu.
أن يسجدوا
Arada nasu an yasjudu
للأصنام.
lil asnami. Very good. Again, full sentence together.
أراد الناس أن يسجدوا للأصنام.
Arada nasu an yasjudu lil asnami. Very good. Adnan has answered 3 questions. Tell me this answer again, Adnan. But the people got astonished and they got angry.
لكن تعجب الناس وغضبوا.
Very good. Lakin ta'ajjaba nasu wa ghadibu. ये आंसर क्या है अफीफा? And they said, और उन्होंने कहा, who did this with our gods? किसने ऐसा किया हमारे भगवान के साथ?
वकालू मन फ़अल हाज़ा बिआलिहतिना.
Very good. वक़ालू मन फ़अल हाज़ा बिआलिहतिना. What is the answer, Sadia?
وقالوا من فعل هذا بآلهتنا.
Very good. وقالوا من فعل هذا بآلهتنا. What is the answer, Zahan?
وقالوا من فعل هذا بآلهتنا.
Okay. So, what is the difference between? How do you read this? So this is question to Sadia and Zahan. How do you read this?
Khala.
Khala.
How do you read this?
Khala.
What's the difference between this and this?
On top it is kaf and down it is ghain. Oh, sorry. It is
Kaf.
khe.
what you're reading is this, okay? Qaf has to come from the, like say, there's a difference between Qaf. Qaf has a bounce, okay? It's like where you have the little tongue, it is Qa. It is not Kha. Kha is slightly different. It comes from the similar place in the mouth, okay? But Kha, you have the sound and you have the sound continuing, okay? This is Kha. But Qa, it's just a bounce, okay? That's the difference between the Qala and the Khala. Qala is just Qa. You don't have the continuing Kha. Okay, so this is Qala. Qala is different. That is Khaf. What you're saying is Khaf. You're saying Qala, but this is actually Qala. How do you read this? How do you say Qul huwallahu ahad? How do you read this? It is Qul. Okay, it is not Qul. Okay. What is this answer, Adnan? And they said, who did this with our gods?
قالوا من فعل هذا بآلهتنا.
Very good. وَقَالُوا مَنْ فَعَلَ هَذَا بِآلِهَتِنَا. Question to Sadia. They said, उन्होंने कहा, we heard a boy mentioning them. हमने सुना एक लड़का जो उनके बारे में बात करता है.
قالوا سمعنا فتى يذكرهم.
Very good. قالوا سمعنا فتى और قالوا سمعنا ولدا يذكرهم. قالوا سمعنا ولدا يذكرهم. What is the answer, Zahan? Answer क्या है, अफीफा?
قالوا سمعنا ولدا يذكرهم.
Very good. قالوا سمعنا ولدا يذكرهم. What is the answer, Adnan?
قالوا سمعنا ولدا يذكرهم.
Very good. قالوا سمعنا ولدا يذكرهم. Do you know the answer now, Zahan?
Second touch, I'm not able to hear you.
Tell me this answer. The question is on the screen.
Qalu in sami'na
Waladan. A boy is Waladan. Qalu sami'na waladan yadhkuruhum. Yadhkuru is he mentions. Hum is them.
Qalu sami'na waladun yadhkuruhum.
Waladan. We had a boy. This is detailed.
Waladan. Okay.
Again.
Qalu sami'na waladan yadhkuruhum.
Very good. Qalu sami'na waladan yadhkuruhum. What is the answer again, Adnan?
قالوا سمعنا ولدا يذكرهم.
Qalu sami'na waladan yadhkuruhum. Very good. And the people said, did you do this with our gods, O Ibrahim? What is this answer, Sadia? All of the words are words we saw earlier. How do we say this question? It's easy. We know all of the words in this question. How do we say and the people said? Sadia? How do we say he said? What did I make you say? What was the word that I made you differentiate between qala and khala?
وَخَالُوا.
Right. So this is, how do we say he said?
He said is Khala.
Very good. So how do you say the people said?
Khalu.
Qalu is they said. How do we say people said? Qala an-nasu. Qala an-nasu is the people said. People, an-nasu becomes the outside word. The moment I say qala an-nasu, it becomes the people said. An-nasu takes the place of he. So waqala an-nasu is and the people said. how do we say, did you do this with our gods?
Man fa'ala haza bi alihatina.
Man fa'ala hata bi alihatina is, who did this with our gods? You're very close. Man fa'ala is who did. How do we say did you do? How do we say you did?
Fa'ala
How do we say you went? You went to the masjid. How do we say he went? Sadio. Dhahaba is he went. How do I say I went?
azhaba.
Dhahaba
Zahaba.
tu. Think of Raditu billahi rabban. Think of amantu billahi. Okay, so it is dhahab tu. Tu refers to me. So think of amantu and raditu. Okay, the moment you put sukun on the ba and you put tu, it becomes I went. This is past tense. We change the back of the verb. How do we say he went? What happens to the tu?
Ta.
So what's he went?
Zahabta.
Dhahabta. Very good, Sadio. Now, how do we say he did? And how do we say you did? He did is fa'ala. How do we say you did, Sadia?
Tafalu.
No, tafalu is you do. That becomes present tense. So you are saying yafalu. Okay. The moment you say yafalu, tafalu, it is you do. It becomes regular. You do this every time. You bake cakes every day. Okay, that is tafalu or yafalu. But how do we say you did, past tense? Someone's telling you the answer, Sadia.
Fa'alta.
Fa'alta. Now, how do we say did you do?
Fa'alta.
A fa'alta or hal fa'alta. You either put a or you put hal, which makes it a question.
Hal fa'alta.
Okay, very good. Now, what's the full answer? And the people said, did you do this with our gods, O Ibrahim?
Hal fa'alta haza bi alihatina.
Ya Ibrahim.
Ya Ibrahim.
That is the part in the double quotes. How do you say? And the people said, did you do this with our gods, O Ibrahim?
وقالوا هل فعلت هذا بآلهتنا يا إبراهيم.
You're almost there. وقال الناس. وقال الناس هل فعلت هذا بآلهتنا يا إبراهيم. Let us see if you can read the answer, Zahan. Okay, the answer is not here. So let me write it. What's the answer, Zahan? What's the answer, Zahan? Afif, answer क्या है?
Secretary, I wasn't able to unmute.
Okay, whoever of you wants to go first, you can try.
قال الناس هل فعل بآلهتنا هذا بآلهتنا.
Again.
قال الناس هل فعل هذا بآلهتنا.
You're making one mistake. Where are you making a mistake?
قال الناس هل فعل هذا
Hal
بآلهتنا.
fa'ala is did he do?
فعلت.
Hal fa'alta is did you do? So what's the full answer?
قال الناس هل فعلت هذا بآلهتنا يا إبراهيم.
Very good. Now say the answer without saying.
قال الناس هل هذا فعلت بآلهتنا يا إبراهيم.
Very good. هل فعلت هذا بآلهتنا يا إبراهيم or your يا هل هذا فعلت بآلهتنا يا إبراهيم. Very good. Good Zahan. Answer क्या है अफीफा?
قال الناس هل فعلت هذا بآلهتنا يا إبراهيم.
Very good. قال الناس هل فعلت هذا بآلهتنا يا إبراهيم. फिर से बिना देखे.
قال الناس هل فعلت هذا بآلهتنا يا إبراهيم.
Very good. قال الناس هل فعلت هذا بآلهتنا يا إبراهيم. Adnan, your turn now.
قال الناس فعلت هذا بآلهتنا يا إبراهيم.
Again.
وقال الناس فعلت هذا بآلهتنا يا إبراهيم.
Okay, you missed the hal. The hal is needed to make it a question. Again, Adnan.
وقال الناس هل فعلت هذا بآلهتنا
يا
يا
إبراهيم.
إبراهيم.
Okay, now without saying.
قال الناس هل فعلت هذا بآلهتنا يا إبراهيم.
Very good. وقال الناس هل فعلت هذا بآلهتنا يا إبراهيم. Sidra, if you can hear us, can you try saying this answer? Okay, I'll give you 5 seconds, Sidra. If you can hear us and if your connection is good, try saying this answer. Okay, let's move on. Ibrahim said, the biggest of them did this. Now question to Zahan. How do we say Ibrahim said? You're on mute, Zahan.
Yes. قال إبراهيم.
No, Qala Ibrahimu, because Ibrahim is a doer. Ibrahim does the same. How do we say Ibrahim said?
قال إبراهيم.
Qala Ibrahimu. Okay, so always the doer will have u. You always have Qala Nasu, Qala Ibrahimu, Qala Azaru, Qalat Khadijatu. The doer always has u. That's how you identify the doer. The biggest of them did this. Now, how do you say the biggest of the idols did this? You say Kabiruhum. What is Kabir? Kabir is the noun of or the adjective of Akbar. Okay, Akbar is bigger or biggest. Kabir means big. You say Allahu Akbaru. You say Allahu definite, and you say Allahu Akbar. Okay, Allah is the biggest or the greatest. That is Akbar. Now you could either say Kabiruhum or Akbaruhum. Both mean the biggest of them. Okay, for this purpose we will say Akbaruhum. Ibrahim said, is Qala Ibrahimu, the biggest of them is Akbaruhum. How do we say did this, Zahan? How do we say he did? How do we say he did, Zahan? You are on mute. Okay, if you're going to make it late, Zahan,
Yes, Sakib
you will
Chacha,
not
I
do
was
the
not
quiz.
able to unmute.
Okay,
Huwa
how do we say
fa'ala.
it? Again?
Huwa fa'ala.
Huwa fa'ala or fa'ala is he did. How do we say he did this? How do we say this?
Huwa fa'ala haza.
Fa'ala hada. Very good. How do we say the full answer? Ibrahim said, the biggest of them did this.
तो then कोई छोटी सी वो नहीं है वही सब कुछ खाली
Yes, Sakib Chacha.
What is the answer? What's the full answer, Zahan? You have the answer in parts. Put it together. Give me the full answer. Ibrahim said, the biggest of them did this. जैसे Qala Ibrahimu akbaruhum
Yes, sir.
fa'ala
Yes,
hada.
Sakib Chacha. Akbaruhum fa'ala haza. नहीं. Wada'a Ibrahimu akbaruhum bihaza.
Again.
Wada'a Ibrahimu akbaruhum bihaza.
No. Qala Ibrahimu is Ibrahim said, akbaruhum fa'ala hada. Qala Ibrahimu akbaruhum fa'ala hada.
Qala Ibrahimu akbaraha bihaza. Fa'ala haza.
You say, Qala Ibrahimu akbaruhum fa'ala hada.
Qala Ibrahimu in akbaruhum fa'ala haza.
There's no in. Akbaruhum fa'ala hada.
Qala Ibrahimu akbaruhum fa'ala haza.
Very good. Again.
Qala Ibrahimu an akbaru fa'ala haza.
Again.
Qala Ibrahimu akbaruhum fa'ala haza.
Very good. Now without saying. Without saying.
Qala Ibrahimu akbaruhum fa'ala haza.
Very good. What is the answer, Sadia?
Qala Ibrahimu akbarahum fa'ala haza.
It is akbaruhum because this is the doer. So akbaruhum means it's masculine, but here the biggest of them did this. Okay, so it has to be akbaruhum fa'ala hada. Answer again, Sadia.
Qala Ibrahimu akbaruhum fa'ala haza.
Very good. Qala Ibrahimu akbaruhum fa'ala hada. Answer क्या है आफिफा?
Qala Ibrahimu akbaruhum fa'ala hadha.
Very good. फिर से.
Qalu Ibrahimu akbaruhum fa'ala hadha.
Good. Qala Ibrahimu. Qalu नहीं आएगा. फिर से.
Qala Ibrahimu akbaruhum fa'ala hadha.
Very good. What is the answer, Adnan?
Qala Ibrahimu akbarahum fa'ala haza.
It is akbaruhum.
Akbaruhum.
Again.
Qala Ibrahimu akbarahum fa'ala haza.
It is akbaruhum. Akbaruhum.
Akbarahum.
No,
Akbarahum.
akbaruhum.
Akbaruhum.
Very good. Now a full answer.
Qala Ibrahimu akbaruhum fa'ala haza.
Very good. Now let us see if you remember the previous answer, Adnan. And the people said, did you do this with our gods, O Ibrahim?
Aradan nasu an yasjudu.
That is, people wanted to do sajda to the idols. How do we say the people said? How do we say he said?
Judu.
How do we say the people said, Adnan?
What is
What is the answer, Zahan? Zahan or Adnan, whoever is ready. Give me, I want both of you to give me this answer.
وقال الناس
هل فعلت هذا؟
هل فعلت هذا بآلهتنا يا إبراهيم؟
Very good. Again? Again, Adnan?
وقالوا هل فعلت هذا بآلهتنا يا إبراهيم؟
No. وقالوا هل فعلت هذا بآلهتنا is, and they said, did you do this with our gods, O Ibrahim? This question is different, Adnan. And the people said, did you do this with our gods, O Ibrahim? What's this answer? Let Adnan try, Zahan. He is trying. So Adnan, go ahead.
وقال الناس هل فعلت هذا بآلهتنا يا إبراهيم؟
Very good. Again, confidently give me the answer confidently. Same answer. Answer is correct.
وقال الناس هل فعلت هذا بآلهتنا يا إبراهيم؟
Very good. Now, Zahan, you give me this answer again. Ibrahim said the biggest of them did this. I cannot hear you, Zahan. Yes, Zahan.
Yes. Khala Ibrahimu akbaruhum fa'ala haza.
Very good. Qala Ibrahimu akbaruhum fa'ala hada. Why do we say fa'ala? What is the meaning of fa'ala? Satya, what is fa'ala? What is fa'ala, Zahan?
Fa'ala is did.
No, fa'ala, fa'ala. What is
Who did this?
fa'ala? Fa'ala is he did. In Arabic, verb or any action, okay? Take it fa'ala, dhahaba, raja'a, qala, akala. Any action is called fi'l because someone is doing something. Okay, so that is called fi'l. Fi'lun is an action. Okay, all of these verbs are called fi'l. In English we say verb, in Arabic we say fi'l. Fa'ala is he did. He did an action, he did something. What is fa'ala, Sadia?
He did.
He did. What is fa'ala, Zahan? And why, Sadia, we are using fa'ala? Why are we not using fa'alta? Why are we not using fa'alat? Why are we not saying fa'altu? Why are we saying fa'ala?
Fa'ala is past tense. He did.
He did. Now who's doing?
Ibrahim.
No, Ibrahim is not doing. Ibrahim is saying someone else did it.
The biggest idol did it.
The biggest idol, okay? That is one idol. And how do we say idol in Arabic? Azaru yabi'u dash. Azar says idols. How do we say idols?
Azaru lil asnami.
There's no li. Asnama. Azaru yabi'ul asnama. Al asnama is detail. Okay. Asnam is plural. One idol is sanamun. Okay, this is masculine. So he is talking about Sanamun, or he's talking about As-Sanamu, one idol, the biggest idol, did this. So it's he did, so we say fa'ala. Qala Ibrahimu akbaruhum fa'ala hada, because it is he did, the biggest idol did this. Qala Ibrahimu akbaruhum fa'ala hada. So ask them, and he's saying all of you ask them. Now how would we say ask them to one person? Let me see who can give this, and this is question for everyone. So sa'ala is he asked, yas'alu is he asks. Okay, now how do we say you ask? If Sadia tells Adnan, Adnan, go ahead, you ask a question. Okay, you ask it out, I will not ask, but you ask the question. It's a command or a request. It says you ask the question. Okay, so you say you ask, which is a different verb, it is a command. From yas'alu, how do we say you ask? Let me give you a clue. You take the second person.
Sa'alta.
Sa'alta is he asked. Sa'alta is he asked. If I say Sa'alta Adnanu su'alan, means Adnan asked a question. Sa'ala Adnanu su'alan amsi is yesterday. So Adnan asked a question yesterday. So it still says information. It does not say Adnan, you go ask a question. The clue is you take the second tense. For example, Zahan always asks in the class about Kahoot. Okay. Zahan always asks about Kahoot. Are we going to have a quiz? I'll take the second person of Yas'alu. How do we say he asks? Or you ask? How do we say you ask? You always ask a question in the class. How do we say that? It becomes tas'alu. Tas'alu is you ask or you always ask a question. Okay, but it's still information. You ask or you always ask to differentiate. So this is still habitual action. It's still present tense. How do you make it command? You go ask a question. What are two steps you need to follow? You take tas'alu. What are two steps you need to do, Sadio? Let me give you another verb. What is tadhabu, Sadia? Or Zahan? What is tadhabu? Tadhabu is you go. You go to the masjid for salah. Okay. So if I tell Adnan, you go to the masjid for Isha salah every day, I'd say tadhabu ila al-masjidi li salatil Isha kulla yawm, every day. Okay, so that is tadhabu. It is still a habitual action. That is tadhabu. To make tadhabu into you go to the masjid, I say idhab. So this is tadhabu. Tadhabu becomes idhab. Let me take another verb. Let me take.
Saqib, this is izhab, no Saqib, izhabu.
Yes, it has to be idhab, correct. This is idhab. Let me take another verb. Tasma'u. What is tasma'u?
You hear.
You hear. So you hear the lesson every Saturday or every weekend. You listen to the lecture. You listen to the class. Okay, that is tasma'u. Tasma'u becomes isma. It's very easy. What you do is you take tasma'u, you take out the dhamma, you put sukun, and you take out the first letter. You take out the ta. Now you have seen with sukun. You cannot start a word with sukun. So you put alif. Third letter is fatha. So if it is fatha kasra, you put kasra. So tasma'u becomes isma. Tadhabu becomes idhab. Now Sadia or Zahan, tell me what happens to tas'alu. Tas'alu is you ask. Now what do I need to do here to say you go ask? You, as a command, go ask a question.
Salma, can you repeat the question, please?
Tas'alu is you always ask. Okay, so if you tell Adnan, Adnan, go ask a question. Okay, we have a doubt. So Adnan, go ask a question. How do you say go ask? Or you ask a question? How do you give a command?
Tazhabu.
No. Tadhabu is you go. You always go to the masjid. Is tadhabu. You have to take tas'alu.
Tas'alu, anta tas'alu, you ask.
Anta tasalu is you always ask questions. Like you ask Zahan, do we have Kahoot? That is tasalu. But how do you say, Zahan, go and ask? I'm giving an order. Zahan, please go ask a question. How do we say ask? How do we give a command? What happens to tasalu? What happens to
It
tadhabu?
becomes was'al.
No, it's not wasal. We are very close. What happens?
It becomes
What happens to tadhabu? How do we say go? Go to the masjid.
as'al,
Idhab.
ishabu, as'al.
How do you say listen, Zahan? Listen to me. Don't answer, but listen.
Isma.
The answer is in the screen, guys. Sadia, Zahan, how do we say listen? Listen to the class. Pay attention. How do you say listen?
Isma,
Isma. Tasma'u becomes isma. How did I make tasma'u into isma? Tasma'u became isma. What are the two steps I used? I changed the last dhamma to sukun and I took out the ta. I have sukun, so I put alif. So tasma'u becomes isma. What happens to tasalu? It becomes isal, guys. What are you guys doing? So tasalu, I take out the ending dhamma, okay? So it becomes tasal. Okay, this is step 1. Second step, I take out the ta also and I put alif with kasra. Isal. Isal is ask. Ask a question. This isal. How do we say ask? Sadia, Zahan?
is'al.
Isal. Let me give you one more. You get angry is taqdabu. Now you should not angry, but in case you tell people like get angry. Okay, I tell another teacher, look, get angry in your class and the students will study well. So I say get angry. How do I say get angry? What happens to tadhabu? One minute. So taqdabu, correct. So what happens to taqdabu? Taqdabu is you get angry every class. Okay, nothing usual. Always you get angry. But how do you say get angry in the class and see what happens? What the students say.
Ighdab.
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 So I take out the ta. It becomes ighdab. Okay, ighdab is get angry. That is ighdab with an exclamation mark. Okay, so ighdab is get angry. Now, how this is still one person. So this is, you can say is'al. When you're speaking to Adnan or Zahan, you can say is'al. When you're speaking to many people, I say all of you ask questions. Okay, so we have someone coming. and all of you ask questions, it becomes is'alu. How we get is'alu is you all ask questions becomes tas'aluna, that is plural. Tas'aluna is you all ask. What I do is I take out the na. So when you have a na at the ending, I take out the na. The ta also gets taken off. I take out the na, I put an alif just as a placeholder to know that the na has gone out. So it becomes tas'alu. Second step is like usual, I take out the ta, I put e. So is'alu means you all ask. So it is a command to a lot of people. It becomes you all ask. So think of your school and you have a function or you have an event, you have a chief guest. The teacher says, look, we have someone from outside, ask questions, okay? Ask questions so that he thinks all of you are smart kids. So the teacher will tell you, is'alu, you all ask. You all ask questions. It's a command or a request. You all ask is is'alu. How do we say you all ask, Satya? How do we say you all ask?
Is'alu.
Is'alu. How do we say you all ask, Zahan?
Is'alu.
Is'alu. Okay, there's Dhamma, wow, so it becomes is'alu. Idhab is you go, you all go, all of you go, okay, and pray salah. I would say idhabu. Idhabu is you all go and pray salah. I would say idhabu. How do I say you all listen? I'm telling everyone listen. This is an important lesson. So I say everyone listen to me. How do I say? I say isma'u. Isma'u is you all listen. Isma is one person. You listen. If I can tell this to Adnan or to Zahan, but if I say all of you listen, I cannot say isma. Isma is used only for one person. I say isma'u, it becomes you all listen. So you all ask them. How do we say? So you all ask them. I use fa. Fa is so. Fa is alu. Now, the thing about this alif is, remember why we use it, because the scene has sukun. So that's why we put alif. Okay. Now, if I have something before the alif, I skip the alif. I do not rate the alif. So it becomes fas lu hum. So although I write the alif because it's part of is alu, I skip this alif because before alif I have fa. So I don't need the alif to say is alu. The fa can directly attach with the same. So it becomes fas alu, them is whom. Them is detailed. So it becomes fas alu whom. So ask them. So how do we say ask them, Sadia? How do we say ask them?
Fas'aluhum.
Fas'aluhum. So ask them. Or so you all people ask them. How do I say ask him or ask the biggest idol? You all ask him or you all ask the biggest idol. How do we say that? It becomes fas'aluhu. Who is the pronoun for him. So it becomes fas'aluhu. So if I say, so ask him, okay, we're talking about the biggest idol. It says the biggest of them did this. So you all ask him, it becomes fas'aluhu. How do we say, Sadia? You all ask him, or you all ask it?
فاسألوهم.
فاسألوه.
Means you ask them all. You ask them. How do you say? You ask him or you ask it? Fas'aluhu.
فاسألوه.
Good. How do we say, Zahan? So you all ask him. आंसर क्या है अफीफा? तो आप सब उसको पूछो. कैसे बोलते हैं हम अरबी में?
فاسألوهم
Fas'aluhu.
فاسألوه
So you all ask him. Fas'aluhu. What is the answer, Adnan?
أسأله.
Fas'aluhu. Next, the people knew that the biggest idol is a stone. He knew is Arafah, is he knew, he knows, okay, he knows the answer. For example, if I tell that, look, Zahan knows the answer, but he cannot unmute himself, he's on mute. I'd say, Ya'rifu Zahanu al-Jawaba. Ya'rifu is he knows. So, Ya'rifu Zahanu al-Jawaba is Zahan knows the answer. Okay, so that is Ya'rifu. How do we say the people know? The people know something. How do we say the people know? How do we say, Sadia? The people know. For example, people ask, will we have exams this year? I tell, look, the people know. The people know that for sure you will have an exam this year. You're not getting away from exams. You will give the exam from home. Okay, so the people know that you all have to write the exam. How do I say the people know? I say, Ya'rifu an-nasu. It becomes the outside door. Ya'rifu an-nasu. Ya'rifun nasu.
Sahib, Annasu Yagrifun also means the same. Can it come like?
It can come the same. The difference is Ya'rifu an-nasu is the people know.
Yeah.
If we say Ya'rif an-nasu Ya'rifuna,
Hmm.
the meaning is the same, but you give a lot of weightage to people.
Grammatically, we should not say that. Okay.
You can say that.
Say that. Okay. Jazakallah khair.
So if I say an-nasu Ya'rifuna, it means I'm saying that everyone knows. So I say the people, they know. It gives more emphasis and says that, look, everyone knows. How do you not know that you have an exam? That's what it means. So in formal Arabic, you say Yarifun Nasu, the people know. But if you say an-nasu Yarifuna, it means that, look, the people, all of the people know.
Okay.
I can add extra weightage and I can say kulluhum, means every one of them.
Okay.
How can you not know that you have an exam? This is double, triple emphasis. An-nasu yarifuna, kulluhum means the people, they all know, every one of them knows. That means it's really silly of you to not know that you will have exams this year. So that's what this means. So this is used for emphasis. In normal terms, you say yarifu an-nasu.
Jazakallah khair.
Yeah. So yarifu an-nasu, that the people know that exams will be held this year. That is anna. Yarifu an-nasu, anna. Anna is sister of inna. What's the rule of inna? What happens when you say inna?
It will be followed by a word with a kasra ending.
With fatha ending.
Oh, fatha kasra. Both same, Sahib. Oh, sorry. Yeah.
Fatha
Yeah,
is
Sahib.
zabar.
Sahib.
Yarifun nasu anna sanama. I say sanama because I want only one idol. So one idol is Sanamun. Sanamun is one idol. Here it will become Sanaman. Sanaman is one idol detail. But here we are speaking about one particular idol. It has to be definite. It has to be the biggest idol. Yarifun nasu anna sanama al akbara. What is Asanam al Akbara? That the idol is Anna Sanama. Asanam al Akbara is the biggest idol. Asanama al Akbara.
Sanama is right. Sanama, Sahib.
Yes. Al Asanama. So Asanama. Asanama. Yarifun nasu Anna Sanama al Akbara. The people know that the biggest idol. What do they think of the biggest idol, or what do they know about the biggest idol? That it is a stone. How do we say one stone?
Hajarun.
Hajarun. So why is it As-Sanama? Because it is sister of Anna. This is actually the subject. It has to be As-Sanamu, but because of Anna, it becomes As-Sanama. Yarifun nasu Anna Sanama al-Akbara Hajarun. It is a stone. That's what it means. Yarifun nasu Anna Sanama al-Akbara Hajarun.
Sahib, but Akbar is correct, Sahib, what you have written.
Yes, this is adjective 930. So Anna Sanama al-Akbara Hajarun.
Sanama
Al-Akbara. Okay, there has to be
Hamza should be there, I think.
Anna Sanama al-Akbara. So it will come like this.
Yeah, Sahib.
Yarifun nasu Anna Sanama al-Akbara Hajarun. The people knew that the biggest idol is a stone. How do we say this, Sadia or Zahan? Whoever goes first. The people knew, or the people know that the biggest idol is a stone.
Sahiba, can you repeat the question?
This is the question. The people knew, or the people know, is what we are saying. So the people know that the biggest idol is a stone. The people know that the biggest idol is a stone. How do we translate this?
Arafa al-Asnama
Arafa is he knew, Zahan. What's the answer, Sadia? It's your.
Yarifun nasu annal asnama al-akbara hajaran.
If you say al-asnama, it is plural. There's just as-sanama.
Asnama.
Again, Satya.
Yarifun nasu anna asnama
As-sanama.
as-sanama. Anna as-sanama al-akbara hajaran.
Very good. Again.
Yarifun nasu anna as-sanama al-akbara hajaran.
Very good. You will merge the an with this. So yarifun nasu anna sanama al-akbara hajarun. Anna sanama. Zahan, what's the answer?
Yariful Anna Sanama al-Akbara Hajarun.
If you say yarifu sanama, it means the idol knows. How do you say the people know?
Yarifu al-Asnama Annal
Yarifu
As-Sanama.
Al-Asnama means he knows the idol. How do you say the people know? You have to use the people as the outside doer.
يعرف الناس أن الصنم الأكبر حجر.
Very good. Now say without saying.
يعرف الأصنام
No.
يعرف الناس
Good.
أن الصنم أكبر حجر.
See the answer again and tell.
يعرف الناس أن الصنم الأكبر
This is
حجر.
An-Nas-Sanamal Akbara. So this is
أن الصنم الأكبر.
Sanama. One minute. No, there's no alif here. This is just As-Sanama. Correct. This is just An-Nas-Sanamal Akbara. This is the correct one. Right, Zahan. Now you tell me the answer. Yarifun Nasu An-Nas-Sanamal Akbara Hajarun. Full answer, Zahan. आफीफा आंसर क्या है?
यारिफुन नासु अन्नसनमा अल अकबरा हजरुन.
वेरी गुड. फिर से.
यारिफुन नासु अन्नसनमा अल अकबरा हजरुन.
वेरी गुड. अभी बिना देखे बोलो.
यारिफुन नासु अन्नसनमा अकबरा अल अकबरा हजरुन.
वेरी गुड. फिर से.
यारिफुन नासु अन्नसनमा अल अकबरा हजरुन.
वेरी गुड. यारिफुन नासु अन्नसनमल अकबरा हजरुन. What is the answer, Adnan?
Yarifun nasu annas-sanama al-akbara hajarun.
Very good. Again.
Yarifun nasu annas-sanama al-akbara hajarun.
Very good. Again.
Yarifun nasu annas-sanama akbara hajarun.
Hajarun. Okay. Nice. We are reaching the end of the class. Homework for everyone is I'm going to send you all of these questions. Okay. So you already have 9 answers. So the first slide is just introduction. You already have 9 answers. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more, which you need to find out from the lesson. It's pretty easy. It is not capable of breaking the idols. Not capable is la yaqdiru. You know how to say breaking the idols? Yaksiru al-asnama. They said you know that the idol does not utter. You know all of this grammar. You know how to say does not utter. Ibrahim said, how do you all worship the idols? How is kaifa? Think of kaifa haluka. You know the rest of the words. Do you not understand a thing? Understand, get the verb from the lesson, from the story. Get the verb for understand. I'll tell you the answer now to make it easy for you. Fahima is he understood. Yafhamu is he understands. Okay. So here it is. He said, do you all not understand? So you have to use plural of yafhamu, which is yafhamuna. Do you all not understand is yafhamuna. The people became quiet. You know the verb for being quiet. It is sakata. Sakatan nasu is the people became quiet. And embarrassed. the people became embarrassed or they became embarrassed is khajilu. Okay, khajila is he became embarrassed, the people became embarrassed or they became embarrassed is khajilu. This is sakatan nasu wa khajilu. The homework for everyone is you need to record answers to 14 questions. So that is from 2 to 15. So you have 14 questions. Record the answer in Arabic. You already know the people returned and they entered in the house of the idols is Raja an Nasu wa dakhalu fi Baitil Asnami. Okay. So you know 9, you have to find out 5 more. And you need to record all of these answers and send it to me. Only then you learn the lesson and only then we can do Kahoot. Okay. Homework to everyone. What is the homework, Sadia?
You have to record the answers of questions 1 to 15 and send it in Arabic.
Very good. 2 to 15, so 14 questions. How many questions, Adnan? कितने क्वेश्चंस का रिकॉर्डिंग भेजना है आफीफा? चौदह क्वेश्चन. तो होमवर्क क्या है आफीफा, अदनान? What should you
2 to
record
15.
and what should you
2
send?
to 15. 2 to 15.
Very good. Answers in English or in Arabic?
Arabic.
Arabic, very good. So I send you all of these questions. All of them are very easy. Okay. And you need to say this again and again so you understand the grammar and you understand the vocabulary. So this is homework. Send it to me by 10 o'clock tomorrow, inshallah. Okay. With that, we will close the class. Subhanallahumma wa bihamdik. Ashhadu an la ilaha illa ant. Wa astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Send me your homework by 10 o'clock tomorrow morning. Take care, everyone, and stay safe. Ma salama.
Masalah.
Jazakallah khair.
Jazakallah khair, Sahib. Ma salama.
Wa yakum. Ma salama.